Hello everybody, this is Dr. Petro at Texoma Wellness Center. Today we're going to talk about the TriggerPoint Ball. This is one of my favorite things to do in our clinic and at home. You can see mine's pretty worn out. What it does is it really works really well with tight muscles and like the trigger points, like the knots you can get in your back. I'm going to show you today a little trick that I use, and I'm going to have our lovely assistant Kayla help us out. She's actually a chiro student right now. A lot of students do look down, especially people who work at desks, and especially everybody kind of being set home right now and working at home. If you're always looking down, what happens is the muscles in the back right here tend to cramp up and get knots. And what we're going to do is I'm actually going to turn for me. And what I'm going to have Kayla do is use this ball and start down low in this region and work her way up, going side to side, working a lot of these muscles. And if she finds a knot, I'm going to have her sit on it, lean on it for a couple of seconds, help kind of push that knot out, then work her way up and then switch sides. And a little trick that I use at home is actually throw this ball in a big worn out sock and throw it over my shoulder so I can control where it's at so I'm not chasing it. Okay, so what I have to do is I'm actually spinning against a wall. I'm actually going to put the ball here for you, lean into it. And the good thing about this ball while she's working on it is she can apply as much pressure as she wants. She can go really light and stand close to it, or she can really lean into it, put a lot of pressure. It's up to you and what your body can handle. How does it feel?
Good.
Feels good? Good. Good. Yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do here at the clinic. We have these trigger points here readily available. If you have any questions, just let us know.